MINDIA, Mind of India.
Bandipur Tiger Reserve is having around 1036 square kilometer. So Bandipur is spread with invasive weed called Lantana camara. That Lantana is a weed which won't allow any other plants to come up under beneath the Lantana. Now we are removing this Lantana utilizing the tribal people. Once this Lantana is removed, it became waste, and that waste has been utilized to convert this waste Lantana into a wealth, that is different crops.
Bandipur Tiger Reserve is home to rich biodiversity, but it faces a growing threat from an invasive weed, Lantana camara. With 136 villages surrounding the reserve, the spread of Lantana has become a major ecological challenge. Lantana camara is invasive because it grows aggressively, outcompeting native plants for resources like sunlight, water and nutrients, ultimately reducing biodiversity and altering ecosystems. Originally introduced to India as an ornamental plant before the 1850s, Lantana camara has since turned into a highly invasive species, spreading rapidly across the country. Bandipur is one of the many wildlife reserves suffering from its dominance. To combat this, the Forest Department has engaged local tribal communities in large-scale Lantana removal, creating employment opportunities for them.
These 136 villages, we have considered these villages into 44 eco-development committees. These eco-development committees are nothing but they all been formed by our Forest Department or the Bandipur Tiger Reserve, and in order to make them part of our tiger management. Now very recently we have started a flagship program called Converting Lantana Waste into Wealth. So now we are having a Lantana craft center where the waste Lantana has been bought from the forest and they has been boiled, processed, and that stem has been utilized to make different type of like cots, sofa, chair and all.
Through tribal women's self-help groups, this invasive weed is being repurposed into beautiful handicrafts, turning an ecological problem into a sustainable livelihood.
We are giving 45 days training and each member receives 100 rupees of stipend, and we are giving free food. With this 45 days of training, they have been trained to make all such of crafts. From the crafts, they will get very good income.
From invasive pest to artisan material, Lantana's journey is now full circle. Tribal women shape it into chairs, cots and baskets, turning a curse into commerce. It's a rare win for everyone. The forest breathes again, and the hands that freed it now earn a living without depending on the very wilderness they're protecting. That's the heart of this mission, lifting lives while healing the wild, because when people thrive, the forest does too.
MINDIA, Mind